Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken broth ramen, full guide. Start by simmering chicken bones with aromatics for 3 to 4 hours to extract rich flavor. Maintain a gentle simmer and skim foam, often to keep the broth clear and bright. Add salt later to avoid over-seasoning and reduce the broth until the taste is concentrated and balanced for your ramen base. Gently build flavor by toasting aromatics briefly before adding them to the pot for a slightly sweeter, deeper profile. Toss in onion, garlic, ginger, and scallions with the bones, and consider kombu or dried shiitake for extra umami. Simmer slowly, then finish with a measured splash of soy sauce and mirin, adjusting salt only after reduction so the final broth keeps perfect balance for your ramen bowl. Cook the noodles in a separate pot so the starch does not cloud your beautiful broth, and time them to be just tender when served. Prepare toppings ahead. Soft eggs, sliced chashu, scallions, menma, and sweet corn create contrast in texture and flavor. When it's time to serve, reheat the broth to a rolling simmer, place noodles in the bowl, pour broth over them, and arrange toppings for an attractive, balanced ramen presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.